Hubei Guangshun Refrigerated Trucks leverages specialized technology and craftsmanship to create reliable, efficient, and intelligent refrigerated trucks, making them the ideal choice for businesses seeking to expand their cold chain operations. The van body utilizes high-density polyurethane insulation and a sandwich panel construction, incorporating seamless sealing technology. Refrigeration units are available in either standalone or dependent configurations, offering fast cooling, low energy consumption, and minimal failure rates. Choose an efficient and secure cold chain solution.